Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Al-fitha name 230604887. I'm a student in the elementary school teacher education program. The title research my proposal is development of flipbook teaching material assisted by the Canva application using a problem-based learning model to improve reading comprehension skill in 5th grade elementary school students. Next, I will explain the background. Primary education play an important role in shaping student cognitive ability and particularly through reading comprehension skill, a foundation for learning at high level. However, many elementary school students still face difficulty in understanding text due to internal factors and the use of conventional teaching material that are less suited to student characteristics. Therefore, innovative, contextual, and visual teaching material are needed, such as flipbook assisted by the Canva application. Flipbook media combined with the problem-based learning model can enhance student interest, motivation, engagement, and critical thinking skill through problem-based learning that relate to real-life situations. Support by technology and in alignment with the Merdeka curriculum, the development of PBL-based flipbook teaching material is expected to be an effective solution to improve reading comprehension skill of 5th grade elementary school students. And I will explain to problem formulation and problem objective. First of all, problem formulation. 1. How is the development process of flipbook teaching material assisted by the Canva application using the problem-based learning model? 2. How feasible are the flipbook teaching material assisted by the Canva application using the problem-based learning model according to experts and practitioners? 3. How do students respond to flipbook teaching material assisted by the Canva media using the problem-based learning model? 4. Can the development of flipbook teaching material assisted by the Canva application using the problem-based learning model improve the reading comprehension skill of 5th grade elementary school students? And next, problem objective. 1. The development process of flipbook learning material assisted by the Canva application using the problem-based learning model. 2. The feasibility of flipbook learning material assisted by the Canva application using the problem-based learning model according to expert the practitioners. 3. Student response to flipbook learning material assisted by the Canva application using the problem-based learning model. 4. The development of flipbook learning material assisted by the Canva application using the problem-based learning model can improve the reading comprehension skill of 5th grade elementary school. Next, benefit 1 for teacher. The research take the form of flipbook teaching material assisted by the Canva application using the problem-based learning model for 5th grade elementary school students to improve teacher comprehension skill. 2. For student, the research result in the form of flipbook teaching material assisted by the Canva application using the problem-based learning model for 5th grade elementary school students are expected to be one of the effort to improve reading comprehension. 3. For school, the development of flipbook teaching material assisted by the Canva application using the problem-based learning model can have a positive impact on learning and can enhance reading comprehension skill in 5th grade students, thereby improving the quality of school graduates. A personal definition. Basic education play important role in developing student reading comprehension skill as the foundation for learning success. Yet, many elementary school students still face difficulties due to internal factors and the use of less suitable teaching materials. The development of flipbook teaching material assisted by the Canva application integrate with the problem-based learning model become an innovative solution because it presents learning that is visual, interactive, and contextual. There be in changing interest, motivation, engagement, and the reading comprehension skill of 5th grade elementary school students more effectively and meaningfully. Next, theoretical study. Problem-based learning (PBL) is a student-centered learning model that emphasizes solving real problems through group work, critical, analytical, and creative thinking with the teacher acting as a facilitator. Meanwhile, the development of teaching material is necessary to ensure that learning is effective, systematic, and engaging. One way of which is through the use of technology such as digital teaching material or flipbooks. On the other hand, reading comprehension scale from the main foundation in teaching Indonesian at the elementary school level because they play an important role in understanding idea, meanings, and message in text. This is demonstrated through the ability to identify the main idea, retell the content of the text, answer questions, summarize reading, and distinguish between fact and opinion. Therefore, integrating PBL with innovative teaching material is expected to improve student reading comprehension skills. Next, hypothesis. Based on the critical study outlined above, the research hypothesis is that the development of flexible teaching material assisted by the current application using the problem-based learning model can improve reading comprehension skill in 5th grade elementary school students. Next, method. This study used the research and development (R&D) method which aim to develop and test the effectiveness of a learning product based on file needs. Through this method, flipbook learning material assisted by the Canva application are developed using the problem-based learning (PBL) model to improve the reading comprehension skill of 5th grade elementary school students. The result product is a playbook learning material that contains an understanding of reading comprehensions, example to various types of text, steps to understand reading, as well as the use of digital storybook as a learning aid to help students more easily understand the meaning of the text. Next, research schedule. One proposal preparation. One, preparation of a research proposal and the basis for planning product development activities. Two, preliminary study and literature review. Month 2, collection of initial field data and review of relevant theoretical source. 3, FGD and product design validation. 1, more 2, discussion with expert and practitioners and initial product design validation. 4, limited trial and product revision. 1, 3, small scale product trials and improvements based on evaluation result. 5, winter trial validation 2 and product revision. 1, 4, large scale trial further validation and product refinement. 6, 6, product testing. 1, 5, final testing to assess product effective and feasibility. Okay, that's all for my professional explanation. I apologize for any mispronunciation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again. Bye bye.